Where's my tape? Because
It went quiet.
yeah, it's not quiet. Yeah, okay.
Get him to talk again. Here he goes.
He usually when I'm talking is listening, so I let him talk. Which is good. It doesn't talk as loud as this one. Now that's his chirp when he wants me to pull that guy for him. And if I don't, he'll go down and start twisting himself. That's a bird. Nasty one. Because if he were outside, he would kill you. You know that, don't you? Oh, okay. Okay? See when he's flapping? He loves it.
The cockatiel's the one talking, eh? He's talking heaps.
Yeah, he's talking now, yeah.
Tell him something.
Freckles! 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 Who's a good boy, Freckles? Budgie's a good boy, Freckles. Budgie's a good boy. Who's a good boy?
You said it, yeah. That's mad.
Who's a good boy?
Can you do that again?
Freckles! Who's a good boy? Budgie's a good boy. Budgie's a good boy? Freckles! You can see the light.
Yeah, I didn't mean that.
I know, but that's what it is. You can sense it.
Say it again.
Freckles! Who's a good boy? Budgie's a good boy. Budgie's a good boy. That's one. Who's a good boy? Yeah. What you doing? Freckles, who's a good boy? Okay. Now it's going to start pushing, so he wants me to do that. Watch.
You said Freckles a good boy?
Yeah.
Ah, it's unreal.
Yeah, he thinks he's a good boy.
Ah.
Budgie's a good boy.
Thanks for that, Jackie.
Budgie's a good boy. Oops. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Budgie's a good boy. There he comes. So what is business with the Budgie's a good boy?